Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. Let's see how much money I made. Okay everybody, I'm going to go over my 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark, and I'm going to show you on the screen all of the fees and everything, and then I'll let you know how much I paid for each item. We'll deduct that amount and I'll give you my total profit numbers on everything that I sold, okay? So the first thing that we've got here that I sold is a pair of Wild Fable wide-legged cropped pants. As you can see, I earned $7.05. You see the Poshmark fees there. $7.05. I paid $2 from liquidation, so $5.05 is what I paid. I've got, here's an up close picture of it. I've got my little notebook here that I'm going to keep track of what I told you as far as my profit numbers so that I don't forget. But take good pictures and good measurements, and that always helps to sell an item for good money. All right, the next item that I sold is a Lee Style Up You Are Gorgeous size 16 petite jean capris. As you can see, I sold them for $3.05. $1 is what I paid, so $2.05 out of liquidation. Here's an up close and personal picture. I don't know why I wanted to say that, but I did. All right, so getting a picture of the tag and things like that really help in the back of the pants. So there's my picture for those. Then the next item I sold for $4.25. These really cute pair of Toddler Boys Cat and Jack sneakers. I paid $4 for them. I had a lot of them, so only 5 cents is what I made. But here's the stock photo, which really gives an idea of what it looks like. And then, of course, you always want to take your own photos just so that people can see the exact condition of these shoes. But I had multiples of these in brand new boxes, and so that's also a good idea to take a picture with the box as well. The next item that I had was a bundle. You know how I love bundles. I usually do really well on the bundles. So as you can see, I did do well. $30.20 for these 2 sweaters. So I've got a lovely like new Dana Buckman extra large tunic wrap sweater that looks like this, and then I also have the women's Pontinel chenille cocoon cardigan that looks like this. So between the 2 of those, I made $30.20. I've got $4 total invested, so I've got $26.20 that I actually earned on this bundle. Bundles are awesome. So if you notice, there's an extra fee on this one right here, $1.80. And what I did was someone bundled these, and in order to make the sale, they offered $40, and I accepted that offer, along with I gave them a shipping discount to kind of get them to accept the offer. And so $30.20 is what I made after my fees. Then I sold this Christopher & Banks 3/4 sleeve sweater for $10.05. That came right out of my closet, and so I get to keep the $10.05 totally myself. But just make sure you always take good pictures so that the coloring is right on each one of your photos. Then I've got this is a perfect time of the year to be selling Christmas sweaters. I got a palette about the middle of summer. Actually, it was kind of towards the beginning of summer that had a bunch of winter items in it. So what I did was, if you notice behind me, see the boxes that say large kind of back over here, right there? I actually filled a box of those with just winter clothes and just now started posting them. And so they weren't gumming up my store in the middle of the summer. And so that's an idea, is to categorize and box up things that are for summer, spring, winter, and then make sure you post them just before that season begins, and that will help. So I spent $2 on this. I made $12 on my earnings, so I've got $10 total profit on this really cute extra large naughty or nice Christmas sweater. So here's a closer picture. On the naughty list is what it says, and then on the back it says on the nice list. Oh, actually no, it's one of those change picture kind of sweaters. So that's really fun. Then the next item I have is a Merona over-the-knee suede cognac Terran boot. $9.05 is what I earned. $7 is what I paid for this, so I'm only at $2.05 for profits, but that's good because I have a lot of these in size 7.5. So if you're interested, I do have a few more for sale. Then I've got a mid-rise slim hip ankle dress pants. I sold those for $11. Got them out of a liquidation box for $2, and so I'm at $9 total profit on those. And then I've got a women's Cassie black combat boot. $5.05 is what I got on earnings for that, but $4 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.05 for the profit on that particular pair of boots. Just a few more items to go, but we're doing really well. You know me and my bundles, I love them. And so this is kind of an odd number, but $17.68 is what I earn, and I've got $1 invested in each one of these. So I've got $4 total invested. I take off my $17.60, or I take my $4 off the $17.68, and I'm at $13.68 for these. And so this is something I wanted to let you know. I got a lot of underwear that maybe might not have been fully in the package. So this is 8 pair of Hanes underwear. It may have been a set that was supposed to have 10. And so taking them all out and making sure that each item is pictured is always a really great idea. And then you can sell them really well, especially if you can bundle a few things together. Like these were probably single pair of underwear that had fallen out of a package. And so they're the exact same size. So put them together in a bundle so that you can actually move them quickly. Same thing with these here, and so that's a good idea. And then the next item that I've got is a really cute pair of girls Annora sock top metallic silver sneakers. They look like this, and here is my own personal photo. So making sure you have a good background. This actual background is actually a tablecloth, so that's a good idea if you want to add some contrast. Having a lighter colored tablecloth and a darker colored tablecloth is a really good idea. And so I actually made $7.25. $4 is what I actually invested to purchase these. So $3.25 is my profit on those. Then I've got another one of these Morona over the knee suede cognac. $8.25 is what I earned. Remember, $7 is what I paid. So I'm at $1.25 for profit on these really cute boots. Then I've got these women's Cassie combat boots. Boots is selling really, really well right now. And so that's a good idea. I've had these on my store for a while, so I really did mark them down because I really wanted to move them. So $3.25 is what I made on these. Unfortunately, I paid $4 for them. So at least I made up some of my money, but I'm at negative 75 cents when you take into consideration what I paid for these. And again, here's my actual pictures of the item. Then I have a pair of high-rise skinny jeans by Wild Fable. I've got $2 invested. I earned $4.25 after all my Poshmark fees. So I've got $2.25 of profit on these. And as you can see, taking good pictures always sells the item well. Then I've got the last few pairs of these that I actually sold. So I paid $7 for these rain boots. I earned $12 on this particular sale. And so $7 minus my $12 puts me at $5 of profit on this pair of cute Chelsea rain boots. And these did come brand new in the box. Then I've got a maternity sweatshirt that I got out of a liquidation box. Very, very cute maternity sweatshirt. Maternity always sells really good, and so does plus sizes. And so I sold that and earned $11, and I have $2 invested for a total profit of $9. And then I've got 2 pair of basically the same shoe, just in different colors. And so I've got $4 each invested in each one of these quarter strap heeled pump that I've got. And they're both size 10, which was kind of nice that I had the same size for the person who bought them. And so I've got $14 invested, or not, sorry, $4 each. So I've got $8 invested, and then $24 minus my $8 is I've got $16.48 because I made $24.48 on those. And so these are really, really cute. I've got my stock photo, which always makes it look really nice, and then my original photo here with a nice contrasting background. And then same thing with these ones here. I think I just have a stock photo on this one. Yes, I do. And then the next thing I have is a like new Charter Cub 1X black button down jacket. $15.80 was an awesome sale for this one. I sold it for $22, made the $15.80, and I knew when they offered me this price that it was going to be a really good deal, so I went ahead and did that. I only have $2 invested, and so $13.80 is what I made on this one item. So I've got some more high-end items coming my way that I'm going to be putting in my Poshmark store, which is definitely going to help my sales in the near future, especially around the Christmas time, which will work great. So these I've got $4 invested in these. As you can see, I've got 708 or 705 I think I made on these really cute gold shoes, universal thread. And so I have 705 minus my 4 is $3.05 invested there. And then I have NWT tags, Prologue extra large sleeveless gray and silver tunic, $5.25 is what I earned there. $2 is what I have invested. $3.25 is my total profit on this really cute sleeveless tunic. And taking this up close picture helps to show the pattern on it because it's a little difficult to tell from this far away photo. Then I've got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more items after this one. I've got a pair of really cute fuzzy slippers that I've had forever. I paid $2 for them out of a liquidation box, only made $2.05, but they have been on my store forever, so I was really glad to actually sell the very last item. But I was able to find some really cute stock photos of this, and so that helped to sell the item as well. Then another pair of these waterproof rain boots that I paid $7 for, earned $12, and so I made a $5 profit on these ones as well. Then I've got my new without tags Vigos Dallas boot cut dark wash jeans. $11.05 is what I made on that. $2 is what I actually have invested in these, and so I'm at $9.05 for my profits. And then I've got an Ava and Viv long sleeve shirt. $12 is what I earned. $2 is the investment. It's super, super cute with those buttons on it. And so my total profit on that will be $10. I've got 3 more items. All right, this is a men's 3XL Faded Glory 3-button Henley shirt. Came right out of my closet. So as you saw, $5.05 was my earnings, and $5.05 is what I get to keep. Then I bundled these sweaters together. So $10.05 straight out of my closet is where I've got these. So $10.05, actually straight out of my hubby's closet. $10.05 is what I get to keep because that's what I earned. But if you notice, they're not super expensive items, and so if you put them both together because they were the same size, they have a tendency to sell a little bit better. And so that's where I was able to get the profit. If I try to put these individually, they probably would not sell as well. And last but not least, I sold this sweater cardigan by Universal Thread for $7.05, spent $2 on it, and so I was able to make $5.05. So I'm going to go ahead and add up how many listings I sold in these 2 days of sales on Poshmark, and then let you know how many shipments I had to do, and then what the total profit numbers after fees and after my cost of goods came out to for 2 days of sales on Posh. All right, I've got everything added up. This was actually a Monday and a Tuesday sales, so this was really awesome. It ended up being 27 separate items for $180.01. Not too shabby for 2 days of sales on Poshmark. Hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly what I sold, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.